Having personally been involved at least with more than half a dozen startups and very closely mentoring a couple of those startups, my experience has been that figuring out the technology of IoT to deliver the solution has been not so complicated as expected. To me, the success of the companies has come in terms of the ability to pivot their technology to a relevant use case that's extremely market addressable in the market they are working on. So let me elaborate. One instance where I've seen this happen is the startup itself had an IoT solution for solar energy, an area that I've been very comfortable and familiar with. And the market was not ready or was not fit for that kind of a solution. And quickly pivoting that solution into something in agriculture has let them take off pretty significantly and help them gain extraordinary traction. Therefore, I think it's important to me to evaluate success based on market traction and the ability to build, if I were to say that, use cases that are market addressable and gaining traction in the market. So that's more important than figuring out the technology, because technology is a piece that's easily figurable, and that's also, given the nature and architecture of IoT, highly one replaceable and scalable. So those are inherent strengths of how systems are being designed in IoT. Therefore, the technology challenge continues to remain a smaller piece, whereas the marketing and the market addressability seems to be a bigger piece. If one were to look at something like a very niche IoT product that's highly technology relevant, so for example, when I'm talking about that, IoT products that address something like edge computing or reconfigurable computing, areas like that, then technology becomes extremely critical and the nature of technology becomes extremely critical. So if one were to leave out those 10% of the startups that are going to be highly technology intensive, patent intensive, I think what I said perhaps still holds true.